Hello all and welcome back to our GDPR app setup guide. In the second video of our guide, we will show you how you can enable the cookie bar for specific regions. You might remember parts of these steps from the previous video about what to do if the cookie bar isn't showing, but now we will only focus on enabling the bar for specific regions. When going through the quick setup of the GDPR app, right after installation, you will see a world map. Above it are buttons with all of the regions our app covers. This is the first place where you can select the regions the cookie bar will be shown for. After finishing the initial setup, you will be able to edit the regions from the settings of the app. If you have already installed the app, in order to select and change regions, all you have to do is navigate to Global Settings and scroll down to the Enable for Specific Regions section. There you can choose to enable the cookie bar for the following regions: EU/EEA countries, Brazil, California, Canada and Japan. These are the countries where the GDPR, LGPD, CCPA, PIPEDA and APPI laws apply to. If you are using a paid plan of the app, you can also select the Enable for All Countries premium feature. Now, just pick the region or regions you want the cookie bar to be visible for and don't forget to click on Save. And that's how to enable the cookie bar for specific regions. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos soon. If you have any suggestions for the app, don't hesitate to share it down below.